Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.1.16 Button Cluster Functions Type 5. Functions Type 5 macro buttons are usually found near the table header rows. Type 5 macros perform functions such as the following. Autofilter turns on and off to filter data in tables. Clear removes or replaces data in cells, tables, sheets. Group combines types of data and sheets. Hide and unhide conceals data, tables, and sheets. Print setup prepares data, tables, and sheets for printing. Protection turns sheet or cell protection on and off. On the instruction sheet, the example macros are type 5. To view all macros, enter key sequence alternate WMV and scroll through the list. This example 2.1.16 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.1.17.